Despite China's move to give its currency more flexibility to rise or fall, the value of the yuan remains virtually unchanged, less than 0.5% higher after Beijing stopped pegging the yuan to the US dollar. Beijing has been reluctant to make any sudden moves because even a mild 5% rise could lead to higher production costs and job losses.
So the government worries, number one, about possible rise in unemployment. Number two, pressure from the exporters, and a lot of those exporters are state-owned.
China expert Charles Kupchan says the yuan may be undervalued as much as 40%, making Chinese goods cheaper in foreign markets.
I do think it will rise, not insignificantly. Will this have a huge impact? Let's just hypothesize that it's something in the range of, let's say, 5%. Is that going to fundamentally alter the global economy? No. Is it the beginning of a shift in Chinese policy that may over time lead to a gradually increasing currency and a broader rebalancing? Yes.
A rebalancing may already be underway in China. Anticipating higher labor costs, some Chinese manufacturers are moving their factories to take advantage of cheap labor in rural areas. Kong Zhang manages optoelectronics technology, which produces LED lights.
Factories are moving inland not only to find workers and to reduce manufacturing costs, but to also expand their business to tap domestic demand and develop the mainland China market.
Recent labor unrest, such as that shown in this amateur cell phone video, along with the highly publicized worker suicides at iPhone manufacturer Foxconn, which ultimately led to higher wages, are all helping to speed the migration of factories from China's coastal hubs to inland areas like Guangzhou. Zheng Weilin is vice director for the Guangzhou Development Zone.
The GDP of the development zone in 2009 was 5.12 billion yuan. I think in 5 years' time, the figure will be 4 times that.
Social science professor Yi Shanrong agrees China is in no danger of running out of cheap labor anytime soon.
Some people wonder how we've been able to provide limitless, low-cost labor for so many years and say that this labor source will gradually start to deplete by 2015. But I really don't agree. This is mainly because the rural population is so large. It's 2/3 of the whole population.
China's economy was very much on the minds of the G20 leaders who gathered in Toronto recently. American and European leaders say a higher yuan will help level the global playing field for manufacturers. But some say China's access to its greatest asset, cheap labor, could help prolong its grip as a manufacturing titan for years to come. Arcega, VOA News.